There's good news for rugged pickup fans because the first production-ready examples of the 2020 Jeep Gladiator are now on trucks and heading to dealers. The first shipment left from the Toledo, Ohio, factory on Friday, April 12, 2019. Prices for the Gladiator starts at $33,545, but a person can take the price significantly higher by picking higher trim levels and loading up the options. The range-topping Rubicon grade has a base price of $43,545, and ticking every available option box results in a pickup that costs $64,110. Early adopters were also able to get the launch edition of the Gladiator for $60,815. The model was based on the Rubicon trim but with different wheels, interior trim, and badges than a run-of-the-mill example of a truck. Jeep only offered 4,190 of them, and the entire run sold out within 24 hours. The Gladiator launches exclusively with a 3.6-liter V6 making 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Buyers can select between a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic. The truck can tow up to 7,650 pounds and has a 1,600-pound payload. Later, Jeep will add a 3.0-liter diesel to the lineup. It'll make 260 horsepower and 442 lb-ft. We don't yet know exactly when the second powertrain choice arrives. Expect prices for the diesel to be higher than the gas-fueled engine, though.